Kajingjor jang uslap harilum garo hakini ki kendiat sngi ki beladam kalawan ra kajingdo nong ka bakraw na banta ki nong shong snong ka te district hakaba hakni kajingja nalor kajingjulor ki babon ki yeng kisam kaladon ro kajingdo no jang ki babon ki mensim briu kajing slai bat kajing tua khndo namar kajing joru slap haki lightly ki district karilum garo khat nyongot ki mensim briu ki lado ila kajing ki bakanthop yaki nyongot na south garo hills Sungot na West Garo Hills, Laingot na East Garo Hills, but Arngot pat na North Garo Hills. Haka pratare urisao araja arpusao ubentri rangba kajelao Konrad Kiesangma, haringkat kibor penyat district, ulalai banjurep yakini ki Longïing ki Shah Pynjulor ha kibor Mariang, hakaban nakal yang jong ulai jingirap da kasong pisa kaba marsau lak Tyngka, syaki bahayeng jong ki brio ki do no yala ki mensim. Hakadi kasngi umentri rangba ulo berthai ki officer ban marmot mardor yaki surak yaki jingkeng ki Shah Pynjulor bat ban pentikna ban penpoy yaki marbam syaki snong ki basyakta
Terima kasih. Jadi kak.
Ini nani pokok itu sekian. Yang, nani pokok itu sekian.
Iba bani, betul nanya tu. Sesuatu Amerika, kamera kami.
We have visited West Garo Hills and South Kyrwoh Hills, and there's a lot of devastation that has taken place. We try to cover most of the areas, but today mostly we covered the families and met the family members of those individuals who lost their lives, and give our support to them in whatever way possible, including financial assistance that we could give from our side. It is a great loss for them, and we cannot make up for the loss, but as a government we have done whatever little we could do and to support them in these difficult times. At the same time, we reviewed the overall situation in terms of the relief work that is going on, and in the process we have seen that most of the general relief has been given. The houses that have been damaged, we have assessed them, and we should be able to give them relief and financial support very soon. At the same time, the power connectivity also has been restored in most of the villages. The road connectivity also to a large extent has been restored. So we are slowly and steadily seeing that normalcy is returning, but of course a lot of damage has been done, and it will take some time for us to completely bring everything back to normal. But we are here to show our support for the different families who are affected by this flood, which is quite unprecedented in nature. I was speaking to the elders here and even to our MLAs, and they were sharing that they have not seen this kind of rain and flood in decades in this region. So I will continue my tour tomorrow also. I plan to visit some parts of Chokpot area and other parts of South Kyrwoh Hills to see and to ensure that people are getting enough support during these difficult times.
Hindi bremeteng somayo, chugumuk noksakon이보다 plus if
plus F
살란티자니요 승방안한 거 nutrients ko mata unigemen ata mirong kari tuo aro dut ko bremteng somayo peketo plus F ni logo ko namme ni bo yarango vitamin aro iron nakapa nutrients ko nangagta aro titisan brenaya unigemen nina badeng tangja sungani niamo aro sato aniyo ba
마이너스 브리족
uano mengsa on amen deng tanga beeno nambata nutrition nambata zangi the alien plus F logo dongpa bostu ko zakharbo
야코 우야땡그파 Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya